and this is a great opportunity for users that participate in like margin eating. And the people that are made magic eating voucher like very much, and the people that place their voucher in magic eating, and the people that used to go and buy a voucher in magic eating, this video is for you. So it is a great and aggressive opportunity. So hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. If this is the first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. So if this video reaches you, so kindly watch the video from beginning to the end so that you may not miss any updates regarding this magic eating OG airdrop. So as you can see, like here is an like OG section. So we didn't need to like claim our OG airdrop or magic eating here. So there is a mail link or social link that they are been created for magic eating users that they are going to go and claim their token successfully. So let's go direct into the Twitter handle so that we can see what is happening regarding the update for magic eating. So let's go direct. So as you can see, here is the first handle for Twitter. Like they have reposted it. Magic eating itself, it posted it like GM Costas, like since 19 hours ago. Unfortunately, I didn't make the video for it like really like fast. So they said those who made it into top 1% percentile of magic eating quest may be eligible for Ghost first OG boss allocation. So are the people that are used magic eating, like which they are in top 1 in 100%, so definitely they are going to be eligible for the first token airdrop. So which like they give them some allocation, like to give them give their community. So as you can see, like here, the most active questers can now check their OG files using the link below. So the link is under the like a thread of this first, which is like I will open it for you, and then again I will post it under the description of the video so that it will be easiest for you to go and find the link below. So let's click on the thread. So as you can see, here is the link like for the thread. So I think the link was the same, it is not different, but like they make it like short and they make it easier for you. So you just need to click on it so that you go and connect your wallet so that you may see like did you get the airdrop or you should look for another chance. So so if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.